See, eliminate theta from the following equations. X equal to 2 cosec theta, y is equal to 2 cot theta. We know the relation between cosec and cot theta. What is the relation? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Then x 2 is comes here, x by 2 is equal to cosec theta. 2 comes here, y by 2 is equal to cot theta. Then x by 2 whole square minus y by 2 whole square equal to 1. X square by 4 minus y square by 4 equal to 1. X square minus y square equal to 4. This is our one more question. Eliminate theta from the following question. X equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta. X equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta. What is the relation here? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 is the relation is there. Then x by a sec theta, y by b tan theta. Substitute here x by a whole square minus y by b whole square equal to 1. Then x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1. See, x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1 is our required solution. When the question is given, what is the relation here? The sec theta relation secant square theta minus tan theta tan square theta equal to 1. X by a equal to sec theta, y by b equal to tan theta. Then squaring on both sides, the value is we have to get this one. See, find the value of sine 420 degrees. Find. See, sine 420 degrees, we can write 360 plus 60 degrees. 360 plus 60 is the which quadrant? One rotation is completed. 360 plus means first quadrant Q1. First one is all are positive only. Sine only. Does not changes. Sine 60 is how much is there? Root 3 by 2. Simple, we get it answer. Next one. Find the value of cos 240. Find the value of cos 240. Find the value of cos 240. How to write cos 240? See, cos of 180 plus 60 degrees. 180 plus 60 is the which quadrant? This is the 90 minus 90 plus 180 minus 180 plus Q3. Q3 all silver, sine, cosec, tan, cot. Then cos is minus. 180 360 does not changes. Cos 60. Cos 60, what is the value is there? 1 by 2. Find the value of cos 240. Cos 240, 180 plus 60 degrees. 180 plus is the third quadrant. Third quadrant or 180 does not changes, but third quadrant tan cot are positives, remaining minus. Cot 60 is the 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Next one. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point 60 meter from its foot is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. The angle of elevation. The angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point 60 meters. A point 60 meters from its footies from its footies from its footies 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is from a point 60 meter from its foot is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. See, this is the one height tower. We should find the height this one. This is the A, this is the B point, this is the C point. This is 60 meters. The angle is 30 degrees. Here to here is angle of elevation. Seeing upside from its foot is 30 degrees. Here to here is foot 30 degrees. Then the distance is 60 meters. Here to here 60 meters. The height we should find out. See, one angle is given, one adjacent is given. We should find the opposite. Basically, adjacent and opposite relation, what is the relation is there? First we should check it. Two relations are there. One is the tan theta, one is the cot theta. I am taking from figure tan 30 degrees AB by BC. Tan 30 is how much is there? 1 by root 3. AB we don't know H. BC is the 60. Then go for the 60 by root 3 equal to H. Then if you want to simplify it. 60, we can write 20 into 3 by root 3. Root 3 we can write root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 1 root 3 get cancelled. 20 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. This is the value. If you multiply, we get the value of simple basics. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point 60 meters from its foot is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. We should find the height of the tower. Okay, shall I write the board? First one is completed. We go for the second one. The angle of elevation of a tower the angle of elevation the angle of elevation of a tower the angle of elevation of a tower at a point 40 meters at a point 40 meters from it is from it is cot inverse 3 by 5 cot inverse 3 by 5 obtain the height of the tower obtain the height of the tower. See, same question, small changes. The angle of elevation of a tower at a point 40 meters from its cot inverse 3 by 5. Simple, what is given in this question is basically we should find the height value, we should find out. See, the height, we should find the height value. A value, B value, C value. Here angle not given. But what is given here? 40 meters is given. See, the basically cot inverse 3 by 5 equal to theta, then cot theta is equal to 3 by 5. Then reciprocal cot theta is tan theta is equal to 5 by 3. But our, according to diagram figure from figure, tan theta is equal to what is given? H by 40 meters. Tan theta value how much is there? 5 by 3. H by 40. Then go for the cross multiplication, 40 into 5 by 3. Then what is 200 by 3 is the answer. 200 by 3. Then you have to reduce 3 6 are 18, 2 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 20, 2 by 3, 16, 2 by 3. See, the angle of elevation of a tower at a point 40 meters from it is cot inverse 3 by 5. Obtain the height of the tower. The angle of elevation of a tower at a point 40 meters from it is cot inverse 3 by 5. Obtain the height of the tower. We should find the height of the tower. Then how many is ground level is the 40 meters? The angle is cot inverse 3 by 5 is theta. Cot theta is equal to 3 by 5, then tan theta is equal to 5 by 3. From figure, tan theta is equal to h by 40. Tan theta is 5 by 3, then 40 into 5, 200 by 3. 66 2 by 3 is the answer. The angle of elevation means when the point to here, elevation, then distance is 40 meters, height we should find out. Basically the angle is not given how much, 30 degrees, and we don't know how many degrees are there. One more question. A pole, vertical pole is 10 meters high. Vertical pole is 10 meters high. The length of its shadow. The length of its shadow is 10 root 3 meters. 10 root 3 meters. A vertical pole is 10 meters high. The length of its shadow is 10 root 3 meters. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? What is the angle of elevation of the sun? A vertical pole is 10 meters high. The length of its shadow is 10 root 3 meters. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? A vertical pole height is given. Before problem and this one is here height is given, then shadow also given. Just we should find the angle value. See, the questions basically this is the height, this one, here theta we don't know, this A, this B, this C. Then pole is 10 meters, shadow is 10 root 3. See, from figure tan 30, 10 by 10 root 3. Tan theta is equal to 10 by 10 root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 1 by root 3 when tan 30 degrees only. Then theta is equal to 30 degrees. A vertical pole is 10 meters high. The length of its shadow is 10 root 3 meters. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? Elevation A, B, C, theta. Then 10 meters height. The shadow is 10 root 3. Tan theta is 10 by 10 root 3. Get cancelled. Then theta is 30 degrees. This is the answer. Find the height of a mountain cliff if the angle of elevation of its top from point 300 meters from its foot is found to be 60 degrees. Same question. Find the height of a mountain cliff if the angle of elevation of its top from a point 300 meters from a point 300 meters from its foot from its foot from its foot from its foot is found to be 60 is found to be 60 is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of a mountain cliff. Find the height of a mountain cliff. The angle of elevation of its top from its 300 meters. Then height we don't know. The angle is 60 degrees. Found to be 60 degrees. We should find the height of a mountain. See from figure, tan 60 h by 300. Because of opposite given, adjacent given, tan 60 is the root 3, then h by 300, then h equal to 300 into root 3. This is the h value. If you multiply 300 into root 3, we get the final answer. Okay, next, one more question. Find the height of a mountain cliff if the angle of elevation of its top from a point 300 meters, the angle is 60 degrees, found to be 60 degrees, then height is find out. When the opposite adjacent given, we should do tan or cot. See, one more problem. The angle of depression of a point 100 meters from the foot of the tree is 60 degrees. How tall is the tree? Same like that, small differences. The angle depression కిందికి చూడడం, elevation means పైకి చూడడం. The angle of depression of a point the angle of depression of a point 100 meters from the foot of the trees tree is the angle of depression of a point 100 meters from the foot of the tree is 60 degrees. How tall is the tree? How tall is the tree? See, the angle of depression of a point 100 meters means one point is there. This one is downward seam. This is a 60 degrees. This one is equal angles. Height we don't know. Here to here is 100 meters. Then parallel here to here is 100 meters. This one 100 meters. This one also 100 parallel. This one 60 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. Both are equal. 60 degrees here, both are same parallel. Height and now using from figure tan 60 h by 100 meters. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 by h by 100. Then h equal to 100 into root 3. 100 into root 3 means 1.732 means 173.2 meters. This is a simple.